Rem, please, like, if we're gonna smoke, we have to be really annoying about it. More annoying than I can.
Why?
Because then you get kicked out of university. And, I'm not yelling at you. It'll just fully clear if you go slower. Don't. They taught me that.
Who's they?
Plug in the shower. If this is a video and I just hit Clug on video, don't. Slower. Even slower. Your fat thumb's not covering. That way. Close it. That way.
That is
So
going.
far. Not go. Blow.
I can't say bye. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I want
Grab
it.
your mouth, please. It's not a joke. I'm not kidding.
It's starting coming out of my mouth.
How much smoke is coming out of her mouth? On a scale of 1 to 10. On a scale of 1 to 10, how many?
I didn't see
Gigabytes.
it. Okay. So we don't need any more. B.
I got a dog relief.
Yeah, we had to leave. We had to. You're so. Look at me. Sticky, look at me.
Don't fucking call me that.
Look at me. I hate you.
Look at me. Look at me. I don't care.
Okay, enough, B. Okay, we're going to
Where are we going?
watch the movie. Oh my god, why? You had 0.5. Why are your eyes doing that?
Doing what? Or what are they doing?
Stuff.
Are they doing something bad?
Yeah.
What are they doing, Rem? What are they doing? Rem! What are they doing? What are my eyes doing?
They're normal.
Okay. What do I do? You know what? Your eyes are so beautiful.
Got a liar.
I don't know.
Beautiful. What?
Have you seen that movie? Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy. The John Lennon movie? The kid is dead.
I think it's a John Lennon movie.
No, it's not a John Lennon movie. It's the day John Lennon died. The boy was deaf, and his little son was deaf. He was a musician.
Mr. Holland's Opus.
Fucking Mr. Holland's Opus. We're fucking downloading it on DC++.
Okay, but we're not right now. So let's go watch my movie.
Can I watch it in here?
Yeah, let's watch it. Okay, go get it.
We need something to like.
I'm gonna make a thing. Remember when we made that amazing thing?
Remember?
Oh, I remember even.
Well, how did we do it?
We put.
Your thing.
And then after
Your
a
white
point,
thing.
and it took us so long, and then we watched a minute.
Yeah. Because it died.
Die. It was like doing that weird thing, that blue weird thing.
Might do that again.
It's not your DVD player.
Oh.
But I just tripped out. I thought we were at camp. No, I'm not kidding. Because we're on like a camp bed, you know what I mean? Oh, wow.
Well,
That was not weird. I mean, that was not cool. It was
also the air
weird.
conditioning. The air conditioning in here is retarded.
What do you mean?
Blowing. This was like doing. Have you seen American Beauty? Yes, you saw it with me. And remember
I
when?
downloaded it. First movie I downloaded.
Remember the when the bag is dancing. It's like a dance. That was gum wrapper in your room. Scared.
Shut the door, right?
But then she can't get back in.